Hi.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's Monday afternoon. We're here in McDonald's Clark Recto, Mabalacat, Pampanga. And we're going to what is this?
Marcus Village.
Marcos Village to bought some or buy some.
We want to find mango because near our place also have mango, but yesterday we been already sold out. If cheapest mango in the Philippines, sometimes more people buy. Yes, that's why sometimes don't have. That's why we going to Marcus Village. It's near what name of bridge, Shaira?
Bamban Bridge.
Near Bamban Bridge. Bamban Bridge. We already take video before in Bamban Bridge. So first we going to McDonald's. This McDonald's. This one. Shaira because want McDonald's. Even she work before in McDonald's. She won't always go to eat in McDonald's. No, sometimes she of course she cook in home. Yesterday she cooked soup for me. She also eat, but she like if go outside, she like go to eat in McDonald's. Yes, Shaira? Okay, let's go to McDonald's. Shaira play game with phone. What you play? Game or what?
Game.
Game or what kind of game?
It's a Super Ace. It's already popular even to another country.
Uh-huh.
And online game even also another country. In Russia, in United States.
But why popular?
Because it's online games.
Online game? You can win money?
Yes.
Really?
And before I put 200 pesos and I will show to you how much I earned.
You earn money already?
Yes, and I withdraw already.
And withdraw. But how you...
This one. I put 200 pesos.
You put 200, yes.
I won
1,000.
100.
So you just only play and you win?
Yeah, sometimes
You won.
Sometimes lost 100 pesos like this, but
Lost also?
Lost 100 pesos only because maximum I will put here is 200 pesos only.
Maximum can put only 200.
For me.
For you, you
But
won.
here the maximum put here is 50,000.
50,000.
But most of the people they put 5 million.
5 million and what?
They pay, and then sometimes they won 70 million. It depends how you play it.
Okay.
And it depends if you're lucky.
So I see so many people play in the Philippines same game.
But I use this one just only relax. But sometimes I not use it. Whether I buy some food or give to my family.
Okay. But your family not poor. Why you? But you always give family. So it's like traditional in the Philippines. Even your family is not poor, even have money, but you always give money or buy something food to family.
This is what we call here in Philippines respect, and it's an obligation even your parents not asking.
Even your parents not asking, even not need money, but you.
But it's your obligation as a children, as a son or daughter here in the Philippines. You can help them, even little. So as for me, as a daughter, even they not ask me, I need to give because it's my obligation.
Okay.
Because they help me to from baby where I am right now.
Okay, so noisy here because people sit and where.
Take my food.
Okay, you take foods, okay. Shaira will take foods now. Is McDonald's in center of the Clark. Today not so many people, but if so many people, so noisy of course. We use motor, but sometimes we use car. Is good big parking here. Chicken, fried chicken, it's for me, this one is. Iced tea. I eat already in home, but if you want, if Shaira want McDonald's, that's why we go to McDonald's. Okay, little bit can eat. it's not healthy foods. I know. Maybe some people say, oh, it's not good foods. It's okay. We can eat this one. But Shaira can eat also in home. She want more eat. I said it's not healthy foods, but you can eat also in home.
It's my second time again to eat.
Before eating home.
No, not in home.
You today you've been in San Fernando?
I've been in
Yes.
San Fernando. I paid for my tax.
This is Marcos village. So many people now. Mango?
No, it's not.
It's not the same. Maybe this road.
Okay. But I don't know if that's good.
Last 20 seconds, wait for the buzzer. Shot clock is set na tayo. Last 15 seconds, wait for the buzzer. Last 10 seconds, last 5 Number
is Barangay Marcos Village. This is office, Barangay office, yes?
The barangay.
What we throw where we go?
Outside, you can take a look.
Okay, we try.
Inside the room.
No, it's not all the throw. Okay, we try. Already dark. No, don't have a man, like not too
It's Carabao Mango.
Carabao Mango have also in our place. People go from work now. But why so many people here, Shaira?
Of course, it's from another province. They stay here in...
Because sheep stay here.
And it's near already in the company of Shoe Company.
We work in company and rent the apartment here. That's how. What we do it, Shaira, in the road?
I don't know.
Dance maybe only?
No.
Aye?
Practicing?
Practicing here? Just music. Okay.
And of course, it's new road. That's why most of the people here, they stay here.
Take a look, they sit in the road from the village.
Yes. They practicing for school.
In the school? For school practice?
Have tinikling, have this is another type of tradition dance.
They practicing in here. Take a look. You turn camera, why you not show? But we're going to bridge here.
Yes.
It's from the school, yes?
Yes, it's from school.
Already dark.
Yes, it's dark here.
What place to name this place, Ira?
I don't
Ah, you don't know. But it's good people that this is in the top.
Ah,
In the hill is good.
it's in the top. It's you can see inside already from Clark.
Uh-huh.
And more in the top, it's the Hadwan Bridge.
Ah, Sadoan Bridge. So we already stopped filming because so dark. Kyra say.
Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe and like. Salamat.